Hello guys, how are you? On the last video, we have seen how to do the while loop. In this video, we learn how to do break. Sometimes you want to get out of the loop. For some reason. If the condition is met. And you don't want to continue the loop. So how you can do it. As an example. I did the for loop and a while loop as well. So first we will go to the for loop. How to do in the break. So I create the list. You know how to do list. So I put the four fruits name inside the list. So I'm saying for fruit in my fruit list. Um we'll print out all the fruit. The moment if the fruit equal to orange. If it's found in orange, it will break. It won't print out like a watermelon. So if I run this, as you can see, it's running apple, banana, orange. The moment it's found the orange is breaking out. It's not going in there. So this is how you can use the break statement. In the for loop. So next thing, what we'll do the while loop. We can see how to use a break in a while loop. So I get the variable fruit equal to orange. I assign the orange name is in fruit. I'm saying the while is true. If fruit in fruit list, that fruit, orange in the fruit list, I'm just printing the fruit is found. That fruit, orange, and it will break. The moment it will found, that name, it will break. It won't do anything else. So if you run this, you can see the fruit is found orange. So this is how you can. I'm saying while it's true, it's continue running. First is checking the apple, second is banana. The moment it's found the orange, is breaking out of the loop. So this is how we can use the on a while loop. And another way we can just to give an example, how to use the while loop. So another I just did the another variable counter. While it's true, I'm just updating a counter. We have seen in the while loop how to do it, updating counter plus one. So if counter equal to 10, and it will break out see the count has been done to the counter 10, so it will break out um if you run this, you can see count has been done to 10. So it's coming from the 0, and then it's continue to 1 2 3 4 5. The moment is found is counter is a 10, it will break out. If you can see, if I do, let's say, and if you want to print um and just try different numbers, 20, then it's been down to 20. At the moment it's found 20, it will break out. But so this is how we can use the break statement. So the moment its condition is met, its condition is true, it will get out of the loop. It'll break the loop. So next video we'll do the how to do the continue. So see you next video. Thanks, bye bye.